In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image in the WordPress media library using a plugin called Enable Media Replace. This is a handy way to update your website's visuals without having to delete and re-upload files, and it ensures that any links to the image remain intact. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. This is your main hub where all your website management takes place. If you're not logged in already, you'll want to make sure your credentials are at hand because the next step is crucial. Next, click on the Login button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Make sure you enter your username and password carefully to gain access to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see your site's admin interface, which is where the magic happens. Now that you're in the dashboard, look for the Plugins option in the menu. It's usually on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can manage installed plugins or add new ones. Plugins are essential as they add functionalities to your WordPress site without needing to code. After clicking Plugins, look for the button labeled Add Plugin. This button lets you search through thousands of plugins available for WordPress. You'll see a search box, and here's where you type Enable Media Replace. This particular plugin is a powerful tool that allows straightforward replacement of media files without altering URLs or direct links within posts or pages. Once the search results appear, find the correct plugin in the list and click Install. This action will begin the download and installation process. After it's finished, you'll see the button transform from Install to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate. Activating a plugin means that it is now live on your website, ready to handle tasks it was designed for. Make sure Enable Media Replace is activated because without activation, the plugin won't work. That's it. You have successfully installed and activated the Enable Media Replace plugin on your WordPress site. Now you can easily replace media files without the hassle of manually changing each instance of the file. This plugin significantly simplifies media management on a WordPress site. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Keep these instructions in mind whenever you need to replace images or media files efficiently in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.